We're at Computex 2016 at the Grand Hyatt, and we're with Corsair, and we're with
Harry Butler.
Harry. Okay, Harry, so tell us what you have at the Computex this year.
Cool, so we have two new major lines of fans for this year. The first one is our ML Pro series of fans. ML stands for magnetic levitation, so we've licensed an exclusive new bearing to use in all our new ML range of fans, which magnetically levitates the fan rotor in all three axes. This basically means that when the fan's powered up, the fan rotor is in zero contact with the actual fan, the fan frame, the fan surround. And that massively reduces friction, and by reducing friction we also reduce noise. That allows us to push the RPMs up, so you can do more airflow for the same amount of noise, or much lower noise for the same amount of airflow. So it works both ways for that. So we have three different versions of the fan. We obviously have a 120, 140 millimeter version. These are just the standard ones. These are the guys who don't want any kind of bright lights, they just want a fan to be a fan. Then we also have LED lit versions as well in red, white and blue. Performance-wise, the fans are completely identical, but we understand that some people want to customize their system up, and that's absolutely fine. And these, the LED lit ones, combine being able to customize with literally one of the best performing fans on the market. This is going to be the absolute top end of our fan range, and we're really looking forward to bringing it to the market in the next 6 weeks. It's going to be the best performing Corsair fan across the board. It's not just a fan that's going to be quiet, it's not just a fan that's going to be high airflow, it's able to do both. So we've designed the fan to have an enormous PWM range. They're PWM only. They have a 2000 RPM PWM range. This means that the absolute bottom they'll spin at 400 RPM, super quiet. And at the top end of the range, they'll be running at 2400 RPM for loads of airflow, maximum cooling. So these ones we're only showing here at Computex. So these are our new range of custom RGB fans, the SP120 RGB and the HD120 RGB. These are not magnetic levitation bearing, these are standard bearing fans. But these are for the guys who are all about customization. They want a blue one or a green one or an orange one or whatever color you want. These fans can be any color you want. The RGB is a dead giveaway. For the SP120 RGB, there are 4 LEDs mounted within the central rotor, and for the HD120 RGB, there are 12 individually addressable LEDs in the fan frame. Fans ship with a Corsair Link controller, as you can just see on the side here. The controller can accept up to 6 different fans at once. These are still in the developmental stage. As I said, we didn't announce them here at Computex, we're just showing them to media. So they should be launching sometime in late Q3, sometime August, September time.